So I just wasted a good 30-45 minutes trying to fix a issue where I was getting no pressure. Checked our filter coming in, cleaned it, you know, adjusted the unloader valve, and then you have this little secondary filter. It was clean. It cleaned it out. Very little debris within it, but that led me to the O-ring, which had completely failed. So put a new O-ring on it, put new plumber's tape on all the fittings, and our air leak vanished and the pressure came right back. So now I am going to put everything back. Looks all pretty, pack up and get out of here.